Number 2 is Epson EcoTank ET-15000 wireless color printer. In today's world of printing technology, Epson has taken the lead with its remarkable EcoTank series, and one printer stands out as the best sublimation printer under $700, the Epson EcoTank ET-15000 wireless color all-in-one Supertank printer. With this printer, you'll embark on a colorful adventure, unleashing your creativity like never before. Say goodbye to the hassle of cartridges and hello to the future of printing. Epson's EcoTank system saves up to 90% on ink costs, making each page a mere cent, unlike the hefty 20 cents you'd spend with traditional cartridges. Printing is a breeze with this versatile wonder. It can handle paper sizes up to 13 inches by 19 inches and effortlessly copies and scans up to 8.5 inches by 11 inches via the skin bed or 8.5 inches by 14 inches using the ADF. Plus, its high-yielding bottles provide up to 2 years of printing without worrying about running out. With the Epson EcoTank ET-15000, you'll always be unrestricted by productivity. Its auto two-sided printing feature, vibrant 2.7-inch color touchscreen, and borderless printing up to 11-inch by 17-inch offer convenience at your fingertips. So if you are interested in this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right